Hello guys, so here is how to get started on 55 BTC platform. I'm just going to be signing up now to start trading and all of that. So let's see what this platform is and how you can go about earning money from it. So stay tuned. So I've just entered my details, username, phone number, create a password, and you're going to enter this verification code to confirm your registration. I think it's capital letter M. Okay, MQ. All right, guys. So I just signed up now, and here is the home page. So you can earn from this in three ways: the trading, the gaming, and also the daily checking. If you come to this me, you are seeing activities, you are seeing transaction, you are seeing invitation, you are seeing victories. If you click on the victories, is where you are going to see your winnings on the gaming and what you've earned so far on the gaming platform. So for these activities here is where you can do the daily check-in. I'll be dropping their contact address, their admin. So this daily check-in is where you check in daily to earn bonuses. And we have the weekly rebates, we have all of this under the activity. So once you check in, contact, you see claim daily reward, contact their admin for daily bonuses. So now for the gaming and the trading. So for the gaming, they have the gaming signal. They have a gaming signal, and here is it. As you can see, the gaming so far. These are the win. This is like trading color, and you can see they have signal break. So based on your country, if you are in Singapore, Philippines, France, any country you are, so this is their time schedule for the gaming. It's called 55 BTC signal schedule. As you can see, this is also their Telegram admin where you can contact for the check-in bonuses as well. So let's see for this gaming. You see order number, the color red, stage 1. So if you want to join for the gaming, what you need to do is to first of all make your deposit. You need to deposit USDT TRC20, and also when you deposit, you earn deposit bonus by contacting the admin. Please note, only do this if you find it interesting. This is not a financial advice. Only do this if you find it interesting. As I said earlier, do this if you find it interesting. It is not a financial advice. So for the gaming part, you come to this game. On the home page, click on game, and you can see red, green, 1 minute. So when you click on the red, green 1 minute, you come to their signal. Let's see what they are currently trading. 659. Let's see if we are on the 65. You see 659. What does the signal say? It said do red stage 1. We can do red 1. I'll enter the amount I want to use. I'm using $1. Then I'll click on confirm. Then you see successful. So I'll wait for the results, and we are going to see if it was if it is win or otherwise. So if you come to deposits, so get started, come to deposits, you see USDT TRC20. You copy your USDT address and proceed to deposit your USDT. Once you deposit $20 minimum, you can contact the admin to receive deposit bonus and also to receive check-in bonus. So since you've deposited, you can use it to participate in the gaming and follow the signal in the group on this channel. So I think the signal is win too. Okay, they are taking a break now, as you can see, 11:59 a.m. So they are taking a break. So as they are trading, they are winning. You see stop, win, 20 consecutive winnings. Look at the call winning, win 19, win 20. That means the one I just traded is a win. You see, as I dropping the color signal is a win-win-win thing. That's why I said if you find it interesting, if this is kind of thing you like to do, deposit and participate. Then follow the instruction from the trading channel and use it to execute your trade, then with that you can make money from it. So that's how this color trading works. You trade the color according to the signal. You win, you get your return, you withdraw with a minimum of 10 USD $10. So you can see as they're trading that they are they are taking break. So you have to take note of the time as well. Take note of the time. You say, let's take a break for a while. You take note of the time, and that's it. So that's how this particular gaming works. That's how the gaming works. So for the trading on BTC pair or any pair, this one you have to do it yourself. If you know how to read the charts, you see this is the chart. This is called binary option. For the charts, if you know how to read the charts, you can either go long or you go short on this. So for this charts here, let's assume I want to go long. I can enter any amounts. Let me use 50 USDT. Then I'll click on go long. I want to go long on BTC. You see order successful. So this is a 1 minute signal trade, but this one currently they do not have a signal channel for this one currently. They do not have a signal channel for this currently. So you have to do this yourself if you want to trade this BTC USDT pair. If you lose your trade, what you need to do is to double the amount you use in trading. When you lose trade here, you double the amount you use in trading so that it can cover for the previous lose and the recent gain. That's how the trading of the color works. So if you want to do this trading pair thing, if you know you cannot trade, you cannot read signal, just follow the color trading. The color trading has been a win so far, and that is why I am showing you guys. The color trading has been a win so far. Their signals has been win for the color trading. So if you know you cannot do this one, the binary option one, either you go long or you go short. If you cannot do it, then stick with the color trading according to the signal that you are receiving, that you'll be receiving from their signal channel. So you can use the signal to do your color trading and stick with that. So, but if you want to trade this BTC USDT pair, then you should be willing to understand charts yourself. Know how to read the charts, and you can earn from your own personal trading, trading app. So that's how the trading works here. So if you want to withdraw, I'm trying to see this my trading. The time, I don't know if the time is up to 1 minute yet. So this is how this 55 BTC platform works. Do the color trading, or you do the BTC USDT trading pair, or you also check in daily to receive bonuses. So as simple as that. If you cannot do this one, stick with the color trading with the signals that is being dropped for you on the signal page. The signal has been win so far. Win, and that is why I am showing you guys. So if you find this interesting, make your deposits and start trading. As you can see, my signal, this is it, plus 46 USDT, 1 minute trade. Trading record. You see, this is a live trade that I've just placed with the BTC USDT trading. It's a live trade, as you can see. And you can see $46 50 win trade, 1 minute trade. I placed a long on BTC, which was a buy on 1 minute, considering what I was seeing on the charts. So if you don't know how to check the charts, do not do this. Just stick with the color trading. If you understand the charts, you can do this and you can earn money fast. Like, it's so fast. So you can see my balance has increased. Look at what I'm currently having. It has increased, and that's all. So if you understand charts, do this. If you don't understand charts, stick with the color trading and check in daily if you find this platform interesting. So guys, this is the update on this 55 BTC platform. Come to this me and click on balances if you want to withdraw. So if I want to withdraw now, I can place a withdrawal. I'll click on withdraw. So I'll select USDT BEP 20, TLC 20, just like the way you deposit. Then paste my USDT address here, enter the amount to withdraw, and their withdrawal fee is just 50 cents. The withdrawal fee is 50 cents, and the minimum withdrawal is 5 USDT. Is 10 USDT rather. I now place a withdrawal, and just enter my TLC 20 address. You will click on this plus sign here at the top of the page to enter your address. Then remark. I'll enter my phone password. You have to go to settings and create a phone password. You go to settings to create a phone password. This is what you'll be needing for withdrawal. And I'll click on confirm. Then I've saved my withdrawal address like that. Then I can now go back and select the withdrawal address again that I've saved. Then here you enter the amount. Let me withdraw like 150. Then still enter the phone password. Then I can click on withdraw, and you can see success. So I've showed you guys the first time deposit bonus. If you are just depositing deposit bonus, you can reach out to the admin and do the deposit bonus and receive the deposit bonus, daily checking bonus, and as you upgrade, as you continue trading, they upgrade your level. So that upgrade level to they have bonus for it when you contact their admin. So if you find this interesting, just go ahead and do it if you find this interesting. As I mentioned earlier, if you cannot trade the signal here, if you cannot trade the real trading, just do the, what's it called, do the color trading according to their signal channel. So this real trading here is a 1 minute trade. Always take note, the real trading here is a 1 minute trade, and that's it. So if you lose any trade, you double your next trade amount so that it can cover for the previous lose and still make profit. Do not overtrade and do not use all of your funds. Depending on the amount you deposit, you can start with $1, you can start with $2, so that you have enough to cover if you lose any trade. And you can always contact the admin for more support. All right, guys, so this is the update on how to use this 55 BTC platform. Stay tuned. Only do this if you are interested, like if you find it interesting. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys on the next one, and bye for now.